No tip swirl. It's just a coupler, swirls, layered colors, pink, blue, and yellow, always. And here we go.
Wow!
There we go. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Fun. Swirl it. Okay. Let's get green come out there. Same bag. Same bag. It's just how you mix the colors. One more time. Let's see what we get out. And that's like how many swirls? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my favorite. Let's do this one. Ooh. Woo-hoo. Ooh. No tip. That's the tip I usually use with all of the bikes. And that's just a coupler.